Welcome to this More4apps video on the procurement module standard purchase orders. Today we're going to be looking at making some changes to purchase orders. First, we'll download existing orders, we'll update the quantities, we'll copy and paste the data to new lines, we'll set new delivery dates, and we'll set the change reason and load the data back up into Oracle. Now to start with, we'll download this existing purchase order. So as you can see here, we have our line items and we also have our scheduled delivery dates. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the quantities. In this case, the supplier can only deliver half the quantities on the date requested. For the scheduled quantity, we'll just delete these and let the defaulting from row 10 take care of these. And we'll set the upload action to update. We'll do this for the lines as well. Now we'll select all our data all the way across to the distributions. And we'll paste these, and these will be our new lines that we want to create. We'll get rid of the update as the option for the line action, and our defaults will take care of that, and we'll set the line numbering. And because this is create, we'll create the distributions as well. We'll clear out these values and those will default from the schedule. Now we'll change the dates. So in this case we want them on the 10th of the 10th. And we'll go across and we'll put our change description in here. And simply upload the data. And it's as simple as that to create the additional lines with the changes and the dates. We can download this data and you can see how it now looks in the purchase order. You can see the additional lines we've got. And of course those different delivery dates.